Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something really important. A lot of people in the Philippines, like 80%, dream of a better life in another country. Why is that? Let's talk about Maria. She grew up in a small village where life was tough. Every day was a struggle just to get by. But even though things were hard, Maria never quit. She was super determined. She worked 3 jobs, saved every single peso, and studied really hard. What was her dream? To give her family a better life. After working so hard for years, Maria finally got a chance to work overseas. It wasn't easy being away from home, but she was tough and passionate, and that helped her get through it. Now, Maria is able to take care of her family, and she's also a big inspiration to her community. Maria shows us that if you work hard and don't give up, you can achieve anything. Maria's story is amazing. She went from being poor to being successful. It shows you how strong people can be. If Maria can do it, you can too. Keep dreaming big, keep working hard, and never ever give up. Mga kababayan, may kwento akong nais ibahagi na puno ng inspirasyon at pag-asa. Alam nyo ba, karamihan sa atin, mga Pilipino, pangarap ang magandang buhay, lalo na sa ibang bansa. Bakit kaya? Kilalanin natin si Maria. Lumaki siya sa isang maliit na barangay, kung saan araw-araw ay pakikibaka para mabuhay. Pero sa kabila ng hirap, hindi siya sumuko. Puspusan ang kanyang pagsisikap. Nagtrabaho siya ng 3 trabaho, inipon ang bawat piso, at nag-aral ng mabuti. Ang kanyang pangarap, maibigay ang magandang kinabukasan sa kanyang pamilya. Matapos ang mahabang panahon ng sakripisyo, dumating ang pagkakataon para makapagtrabaho si Maria sa ibang bansa. Hindi naging madali, pero dahil sa kanyang tibay ng loob at pagmamahal sa pamilya, nalagpasan niya ang lahat. Ngayon, hindi lang niya naibibigay ang pangangailangan ng kanyang pamilya, kundi inspirasyon din siya sa kanyang komunidad. Pinatunayan niya na sa sipag at tiyaga, walang pangarap na imposible. Ang kwento ni Maria ay patunay ng lakas ng Pilipino. Kung kaya ni Maria, kaya mo rin. Huwag tayong tumigil mangarap, huwag tayong sumuko sa ating mga pangarap.